starting it because I just went to Lowe's and got all these supplies. So I pulled it out where it was lifted. You can see it's still on the edges. It's like still got some that I need to cut out. But look at this. The dry rot is, I don't know if it's dry rot or just rot, period. But it's real. Like, look at this. I'm afraid that like when I cut this out, what I'm going to see. I mean, you can kind of peek under there and see it doesn't look very good. So like all this is going to need to come out. And I'm going to have to try to like make a new door right here, which is going to be so hard. And I don't know how to clean that out. I think that's called the hole. I don't know how to clean the hole out. So I don't know. We made it this far. Got over here. Still got to do some right there, but yeah, it's looking like I need to go back, and I'm going to need to get wood. Now the question is, how are we going to do it? Are we just going to cut out this rotten bit here, like this eye shape, or do we cut out this whole piece and replace it, and then cut out this whole piece and replace it? That's going to cost more money in supplies for the fiberglass and more money in supplies for the wood. However, I don't know how smart it would be to do all of that and then just leave these two spots where the seats go. So I don't know what you guys think, but also I should check the prices of the wood to see how much it's going to be. I spent $600 so far on flooring and carpeting, and that's about it. And like supplies, fiberglass supplies there, random crap there. I still have to get this out and the other side out, but it's just so hot right now. I'm like dying. My sunglasses had sweat dripping on the inside of them, so. Oh, and then I went to get safety goggles to get like the stuff, the bolts from back there, so when I'm down there, stuff doesn't fall in my eyes, and they're like literally just clear sunglasses. Like my sunglasses would do a better job. So I'm just gonna put my swimming goggles on to do it. And then this I'm gonna get to as well. I'm gonna do a lunch break because it is so freaking hot right now. But you can see we got the side panel and all the sides right here. Got this empty. These, I gotta take them to the upholstery guy. I'm not gonna be able to do those corner bits. Like if you look at it, see the corners, like, I don't know, I just don't think I can do that. I think that's gonna be like a seam job. Oh, he's got seams in there. And then also I think I can have him redo this with the new colors, and then it will like make everything like consistent and cohesive. I really didn't want a boat that needed a new floor, but I guess that's where we're at.
Covering the screws and trying to get access to the screws. Grab that. There's some here.
This goes on there.
2 squares in the back. And then basically this is what we're doing. Also, do not buy this vacuum. It's trash. But, so basically this is what we're dealing with. So that I didn't think looked too bad. But this over here looks so bad. There's like holes in it and shit. So, and then under there, you can see the rotten wood. I was gonna cut this out to get to it, but I may not need to since it's so open right there. I might be able to just slide the new wood in. But we will see. There's a lot that needs to be done. These 2x4s on the inside also are a little concerning because of the color. I tried them though and they're like super solid. We put like some screws in it and they're solid, so I don't necessarily want to change them since they're like okay. Yeah, so basically that's it. I guess tomorrow we're gonna do some foam removal and then cut the wood, put the new wood in, screw it in, add the new foam, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, we can move on to fiberglass and get her done. Because Tuesday I would really like to get the flooring in here. Also, I need to get a top. But anyways, guys, this is the end of day 3, and this is what it looks like.